What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video in my lovely Nerf office. It's still quite brand new. I had it for 2 days. Done. This is going to be the third video in it. And today we're going to be reviewing the Nerf. The Nerf Rebel bow and arrow. This isn't the big one. This is the tiny one. This is my sister's. I'm not using Nerf Rebel bullets. That's fun. I love to talk. And moving over to the comment hashtag manager. This is going to get a shout out in every video. So yeah, how's your day been? Anyway, no, we're not talking about our days because we are going to be here talking about this piece of weirdness. See? This determines if you should get it or not get it, because it gives the channel a big help, a massive lift along the way to I don't know, my first goal. No, my first play button. First play button. Woohoo! Right. No, we're not talking about my success on YouTube. I have done success. 30 subscribers, please. Can we get it? Please. I'm on 22. Please, 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 please. If I do a sad face, then you'll like and subscribe. Comment down below. Hashtag random chat. Subscribe. But no! But no! We are going to be talking about this thing. It's a nice pattern on each side. Nice. Love the colour. It's cool. Bit down. There's a bit that you can hold. You can hold 6 darts. One in. You can't really hold it because it's a loose grip. One in the extra front, so you can have 7 darts before going up to picking them up, going like being a granite, kneeling down like this, and etc. But no, we're talking about this bow that keeps on losing it. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. I don't know why, but 2 minutes into the video, we're already going into the shooting. This is going to be a long video because I absolutely terrible with this. So get your popcorn out. Get ready for me to fail with a bow. If you do, I do shoot this. And if you don't believe me, there's the bed. I go behind here. Why are my shorts so high? And it's going to be fun. Woo! It doesn't even shoot that far. That's fun. I'm going to sit on the edge of the bed. And I'm going to move this backwards. So you can actually see it. Woo-hoo! Now I'm going to sit here. Can you see me? Yes, you can. I am pulling this back as far as it will go. That is some power. You know what? You're going to do that. I'm going to push this forwards so you can see it. It's going to be jolly good fun. For me, at least. Not. Because this is a really bad build. It doesn't shoot any further than 2 feet. See? Give me that. Right. Yay! We knocked it off! I have to talk. Let's do an extra special. No, I'm just going to put this back into the cupboard. I normally do it after I've done thumbnail, but I actually know because I need it for the thumbnail. Right. Anyway, extra special one. I'm going to do it now. Also go and check about my modulus regulator review and my Centurion review. Go to the description in that because I have still not put the link to my where is it? Where's my phone? Here it is. Much. not really interested in spending much money, then feel free, but still please get it and give it to your friend as a birthday present so they like my channel. And yeah, so get it. I'm dancing. Wait, you can't see it. This is me running. Right, yeah, that's the end of this video. 5 minutes. That's pretty good for a rubbish Nerf gun. Title of the video: World's Worst Nerf Gun. You can probably already see it. Like and subscribe, please, because then I can get my money back for that. And I can buy a better one. And I'll review the bigger one. Woohoo! So yeah, like and subscribe, please, so we can get 30 subscribers. Comment hashtag granddad chair if you think my chair's a granddad chair. Got also another one over there. Got stuff on it like it always does. Like and subscribe. See you down below. No. Yeah, see you down